Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Dorcas. On today's video I'll be teaching you how you can configure your email address for your website, how to configure a forwarder, and also how to set an autoresponder for your website. So for the email address for your website, after you've purchased the hosting for your website, so you're going to be given a login for your cPanel. So cPanel is the area of your website where you control everything that happens on your website, control the settings of your hosting. So this is the area of the email. Here you can create a new email account. Here is where you can create the forwarder and also the autoresponder. There are other settings here, but I'll be talking on autoresponder, forwarders, and how to create an email. So if you want to create an email, you just click on email account. Depending on the hosting you've got, the setting, you're going to have the number of emails you can create on the hosting that you purchased. On this hosting I have only 9. I've used 1 out of it. So if you want to create a new hosting, so you go to this area here and click on create. So you're going to enter a username. You enter a username, any username you want. So I'm going to say me at d2digital.com. Info So I'll click on set a password now. I'll enter password, or you click on generate password. Okay, this is the password that is generated. So you copy this. I'm going to copy this. I'll copy this password. Once you've copied the password, then you scroll down and click on create. Okay, the email account has been created. You created info at d2digitals.com. So this is the email I just created. So what you do is to go to a new tab and type in your username, d2digitals.com /webmail. So you click enter. Just like the cPanel, the webmail is where you control your email, your website mail. So it's going to Okay, this is the webmail. So I'm going to enter the password that I got that password, then I will put in the username. This is the username, so I'll click on login. Okay, when you click on login, it's going to show this, so you're going to click on this, open my inbox when I log in. Then you open. Then it's going to log you in to your mail. This is taking time. Okay, I've been logged into a new email. So this is just like your normal Gmail. This is how it is. You can compose a message and check your messages right here. So this is how the email is. So the next we're going to talk on is the autoresponder. How to set an autoresponder. Maybe for instance you're into online sales, digital marketing, and your email, you have to be responding to people all the time, and you might not have all the necessary time you need, or you might not be online all the time to reply to these messages. So an autoresponder is a great tool you can use for your marketing. So you just create an autoresponder for your messages. So for an autoresponder, you just click on autoresponder and come down here. You see add autoresponder. You click on add autoresponder. We're going to leave this setting like this. The interval, we're going to make the interval 0 every single time. So the email is info@digitodigitals.com. So we're going to respond to these settings. This autoresponder is going to be any message that is sent to info@digitodigitals.com. So here you're going to write the name of your company or anything you want to write, the name of your company. So you write it DD Digitals. So this is the name that is going to show on the message. If the message, so we're going to set this as thank you for so no, we'll set this as payment. Okay, so the body of the message, so we're going to say thank you the payment you made has been received. So this is it. The start time, it will be immediately the messages comes and it never stops, so you click on create. You successfully created the info.com autoresponder. So the autoresponder has been created. So we'll go to our mail. So I'm going to send a message to check what you have done. So okay, I want to send a message to the email we created. Let's check for the autoresponder. So I'm going to type in the name, so I'll just type in info at d2digitals.com. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to send a message. Payment. So the body of I have made the payment. I have made the payment, so I will send this. Once the message is sent, so we'll go back to our mail to check if the message is gotten. Okay, we'll refresh this, then we'll go back to our mail to go and check the auto response. Okay, you can see it here, dddigitals.com, ddigitals. You can see, thank you, the payment you made has been received. You can see it. Once you send the message, you can see it here. See the message here. I have made the payment. So the auto response, since we've gotten the message here, the auto response will be sent immediately. You can see this is how it works. Very easy. So the next one is the forwarder. We're going right into the forwarder. We want to create the forwarder. So this is the forwarder here. We'll click on this. click on add folder, address to forward, info at digi2digitals.com. So any message that enters this info at digi2digitals.com will be forwarded to this new email, to this new mail. So this is the mail. So if you've gotten any message on this email, info at digi2digitals.com, because the messages that will be entering your website email, the messages that will be entering your website email, you might not be on your webmail all the time for you to respond to those messages. Sometimes you might want to respond to these messages through your phone, through your normal mail on your phone, your Gmail. Or sometimes when you want to send messages, to bulk of people, you might not necessarily have to send it one. So forwarder is a great tool that you can use in doing that. So any message that is sent to info at digi2digitals.com will be forwarded to this email right here. So once that is set up, we're going to click on add forwarder, and the forwarder will be created. So I'm going to send a message to this email. Now, then we'll check if it's forwarded to the email. So I'm going to create a new email here. So I'll click on compose to info this testing forwarder. So this is it. So I'll send this message right away. Once the message is sent, I'm going to refresh this and go back to my mail and check my mail. You can see the email has been forwarded here, testing forwarder. Instead of going into your website mail, instead of entering into your webmail, the message will go right into your Gmail. You can see it. So this is very easy, and these are great tools that you can use on your website and even in your daily activities if you're into businesses that require you to use your mail all the time. These are great tools you can use.